Nagaland is one of the 7 northeastern states of India, known to possess rich cultural heritage and scintillating landscapes, which are any traveler's delight. What comes to mind when we hear of Nagaland? Generally, we all tend to perceive this land of Nagas as one brimming with insurgency, civil war, but this perception of this land tends to change when you actually visit and witness this place with your own eyes. So let's start with this story about our visit to this land of Nagas. This story starts with my last year's journey to attend the Hornbill Festival, which did not materialize as it got cancelled due to some clashes between the locals and the Indian Army. But luckily, exactly after a year, I am again heading towards the land of Nagas to witness the 23rd edition of the Hornbill Festival. Every story has its characters without whom it would be incomplete. So let me introduce you all to the characters accompanying me in this road trip. To start with, the main protagonist of this trip, the captain of our group Tashi, who happens to work as a panchayat assistant in the government of Sikkim, Nipendra, who serves the government of Sikkim in the department of RDD, who generously gave us the opportunity to stay at his place in Siliguri before heading towards Nagaland, Jordan, who owns one of the famous food joints named House of Bamboo at Gangtok, Lexang, aka Leggy, who is a successful entrepreneur and owns the 2 properties of Ohan Naga and Tibetan Carpet Shop in Gangtok, Karma Tenzing, and Kunchok, associated with the Department of Police in the government of Sikkim, and lastly myself, Sonam, who has a zeal for making videos which imparts some learning and also motivation to his viewers through social media. I suppose the introduction was too long, so with positive vibe, let's zip zap zoom into the land of headhunters.
Hello folks, Kuzangpo Hamri Namaste Sabai. Welcome to another vlog of Studio Mellow. And right now I'm pretty excited because finally the day has arrived. I'm heading towards Kohima, Nagaland in order to attend the famous Hornbill Festival. I think I'll be only able to attend the last 2 days of the Hornbill Festival. At least so right now I'm at SMIT, my office area, and my friends will be coming from Gangtok and they will pick me up from Majitar, and tonight we'll be staying at Siliguri, and early morning tomorrow we'll be heading towards Guwahati and we'll stay over there at Guwahati. Then day after we will be heading towards Nagaland, so I'm pretty excited for that, and stay tuned for that. And lastly, if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and let's head towards Nagaland. Ayo, Ketara, ayo. I was about to leave from my office.
के 2 बजी हिँड्ने मान्छेहरु के भयो? 2 बजी हिँड्छु भन्दै थियो त।
morning folks. Right now we are at Siliguri है यता साथीको घरमा बसेको थियौँ हामी अब भने चाहिँ we will be heading towards Guwahati आज गुवाहाटीमा स्टे छ है so let's go भयो हैन so सबैजना रेडी हुँदैछ अहिले चाहिँ मर्निङ खोजौँ हो good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So ready, bhai? Let's go. Hello, we are about to start our journey from Siliguri. के भयो रे आज?
हिजो गान्तोकबाट we traveled 122.5 kilometers.
Okay.
After refueling 100.9, so I am resetting the trip meter again from Siliguri to
Guwahati.
Let's start.
बिचारी कुन चोक छ? Myself.
Bosom, close the door no more. गाडी घुमाउँछु नि त
So we have reached to this place called Otlabari and हामी चाहिँ अब अहिले चाहिँ यहाँ के भन्छ तपाईको ब्रेकफास्ट गर्नु लागि बसिरहेको छ then after having our breakfast we'll head towards Guwahati and our journey will continue okay It's almost 3 p.m. and we have just crossed West Bengal and entered into Assam and from morning breakfast मात्र गरेको बाइक अरु केही पनि गरेको छैन so what we have done is that we have just stopped by near the highway in order to have some like snacks and tea है यो ढाबा सानो ढाबा रहेछ यो है त्यहाँ ओके कहाँ यस टासी सुतिस
तपाईलाई के भन्नु चाहिन्छ तपाईलाई
हामीलाई धेरै धन्यवाद सबै चिजमा यहाँ हामी आसाम पुग्नु भयो आसाममा मजा आउँदैछ आसामको जनताले हामीलाई पुरै याद गरेको छ धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद
तपाईको फ्यान्सहरु कति निकै रहेछ तपाई बाटोमा
फ्यान्सहरु दुई दिनहरु भेटेको थियो के गर्नु अब तर उनीहरुलाई उठाएर लैजाऊ भनेको अब आदिवासी फ्यान्सहरु पुरै रहेछ
तपाई चाहिँ कहाँ जानु भएको
म खेतीबाडी ओत्लाबाडी चाहिँ भनेको हामी अलिक अलिक बाटो चाहिँ बिर्सेछ
त्यसो भए तपाईको गाडीमा त आज त अगाडि त खाली रहेछ
हाम्रो सर वस्तु हुन्छ
एकजना प्यासेन्जर एकजना मात्रै रहेछ यता
हाम्रो सर त्यहाँ पाइलटिङ गर्नुहुन्छ हाम्रो सर चाहिँ पाइलट हो उहाँ चाहिँ जहाज उडाउनुहुन्छ उहाँ चाहिँ
जहाज
हजुर
कुन चाहिँ जहाज
आजकलको ड्रोन भन्ने जहाज उडाउनुहुन्छ उहाँले चाहिँ अनि उडाउँदैछ उहाँले बाहिर छ अहिले उड्दैछ अहिले
दर्शक पनि बाहिरको नजारा यस्तो छ ऊ चाहिँ हाम्रो सबभन्दा एक्सपिरियन्स
हाम्रो गुरुजी हाम्रो गुरुजी भेट्नु उहाँको छङ्गु सर्भिस गान्तोक सर्भिस छ जाइलो पुऱ्याउनु उहाँले
आज छङ्गु नजानु भएको
हजुर
छङ्गु नजानु भएको
आज यता भाडा राम्रो पायो
कति
यतै जाउँ
भाडा पायो तपाईँले
बिजी त होइन उहाँले अब 200 रुपियाँ दिन्छु भन्थ्यो सधैँ त्यहाँ 50 रुपियाँ हामी चलाउँथौँ 200 अलिक बेसी
दाम चाहिँ कति भएको
तेल त अलिक महँगै छ अब म अलिक घाटामा चल्छु जहिले पनि अब के गर्नु बुद्धि नपुगेको होला
बिजनेस चाहिँ किन गर्नु भएको घाटामा हुन्छ
बिजनेस त याद छैन अब हातमा लाग्यो गरिदिइहाल्यो के गर्नु
It's 4 p.m. and we have reached a town named Bongyegaon, and Guwahati is from here around 175 kilometers. I think it will take around 2-3 hours for us to reach Guwahati, and we are just stopped at this place known as Friends Dhaba, right? अब हामीले बिहानदेखि खाली ब्रेकफास्ट गरेको त्यहाँदेखि टी खाएर त्यसको बादमा केही पनि गरेको छैन सो अब चाहिँ अलिकति हेभी लन्च भनौँ न लेट लन्च हुन्छ हाम्रो है So stay tuned guys. I think the dhaba is quite extraordinary. You can see all these huts, small cute huts. Friends Dhaba, right on the way to Guwahati. Small huts, cabins. Rami they say. So, के हुँदैछ केटाहरु तिम्रो त अघि आइपुग्यो है
At last, after an 8-hour tiring journey, we finally reached Guwahati, Assam, the pit stop for tonight. It was actually an apartment on hire and not an hotel. Probably the owners had shifted to their new home and left this place to hire for travelers like us. The name of this property was Triax, which we had booked through booking.com. The apartment had a 3-bedroom hall and a kitchen. The best part was that we all did not expect that the place would turn out to be to our liking. Really loved the place and its location as well. Thanks to the owner for his warm gesture and support during our stay. Folks, this much for this episode. In the next episode, we will be together reaching Nagaland and will explore the festivals of festivals, the Hornbill Festival. Till then, do away with negative vibes and embrace only positive vibes wherever you go. Lastly, bye-bye and stay tuned for the second episode of this Nagaland series.